Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Numbers and picking a template that matches your goal. A blank sheet is fastest. Once done, create clear column headers and set each column's format: date for dates, currency for money, percentage for rates, because formats drive correct calculations. Next, enter a few rows of actual data and use Tab to move right and Return to move down. Make sure to save early. Numbers autosaves, but naming the file prevents confusion later. Now focus on calculations and views. Start with simple formulas like SUM and average, then add conditional logic with IF to handle exceptions. Use $ to lock cell references when copying formulas and drag the fill handle to replicate patterns quickly. Once your numbers compute correctly, apply filters and sort to inspect subsets, and add a chart to visualize trends because visuals reveal outliers. Also use named ranges. Finish by polishing. Format fonts, freeze header rows for context, and hide empty rows to reduce distraction. When ready, export to Excel or PDF for distribution, or share the file via iCloud to collaborate in real time. Lock or password protect ranges if needed, and save a backup copy. If results are off, check cell formats first. Text formatted as numbers is a common culprit. And then audit formulas by tracing dependencies to find where values diverge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.